For centuries, humanity has been captivated by the idea of superhuman strength. The allure of possessing power beyond the ordinary has always fascinated us. Myths and legends are filled with tales of gods and heroes possessing incredible power. From Hercules to Thor, these stories have inspired generations. Today, this dream is becoming a reality. The advancements in technology are bringing us closer to achieving what was once thought impossible. At the forefront of this technological revolution are AI exoskeletons. These devices are transforming the way we think about human strength and capability. These marvels of engineering combine artificial intelligence with mechanical structures. The integration of AI allows for unprecedented precision and adaptability. They have the potential to redefine human capabilities. Tasks that were once difficult or impossible can now be accomplished with ease. Imagine a world where physical limitations are a thing of the past. People of all ages and abilities can benefit from this technology. This is the promise of AI exoskeletons. They offer a future where everyone can achieve more regardless of their physical condition. Exoskeletons are not merely tools but extensions of ourselves. They enhance our natural abilities and provide support where needed. They are capable of learning and adapting to our movements. This adaptability makes them incredibly versatile and useful in various scenarios. This seamless integration of man and machine is made possible by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. AI is the key to unlocking the full potential of exoskeletons. AI empowers these exoskeletons to anticipate our needs. They can respond in real time, providing assistance exactly when and where it is required. They can provide assistance precisely when required. Whether in emergency situations, rehabilitation, or daily tasks, exoskeletons are proving to be invaluable. This is just the beginning of a technological revolution. The future holds even more promise as we continue to innovate and improve. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of exoskeletons. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright.
One of the most inspiring applications of AI exoskeletons is in the realm of disability assistance. These advanced devices are revolutionizing the way we think about mobility and independence for those with physical impairments. For individuals with mobility impairments, these devices offer the gift of movement, enabling them to perform daily activities with greater ease and confidence. Imagine a world where wheelchairs become obsolete, replaced by sleek, efficient exoskeletons that allow for natural movement. This is the future that AI exoskeletons promise, a future where technology seamlessly integrates with human life to enhance our capabilities. Companies like Wandercraft are leading the charge in this technological revolution. They are developing cutting-edge exoskeletons specifically designed to restore mobility, using the latest advancements in AI and robotics. The Wandercraft exoskeleton is a testament to the power of AI, showcasing how technology can be harnessed to improve human lives. It utilizes sensors and algorithms to mimic human movement with remarkable accuracy, adapting to the user's needs in real time. This allows users to navigate stairs and uneven terrain, providing a level of freedom that was previously unimaginable. This technology has the potential to transform the lives of millions, offering new opportunities for independence and self-reliance. It can grant them